The MODIG HHV was developed in close cooperation with the world's largest aircraft manufacturers. Since its introduction, it quickly became the first choice of top-performing machine shops. The HHV is a universal machining center for bar or extrusion components, and it is ideal for limited production runs, nesting, or high-volume production. The HHV handles uncut bars and extrusions. There are great benefits of making many parts from the same size bar or extrusion: reduced setup time, no work holding, and a significant reduction in cycle time. Standard machining often requires multiple setups. The HHV machines parts complete in one setup, with no work holding. Your machining cycle time at the process design stage, up to 50% faster machining time over conventional processes, and true lean and green production. Learn more at www.modig.se.